Hello and welcome to e-polish.eu. This tutorial covers the details of our self-study online courses, also known as e-coursebooks Plus. You will learn what the self-study course entails, where to buy and access it, how long the access lasts, and how to activate a 3-day demo to give it a try before purchase. The e-coursebook Plus is a self-study online course especially designed to motivate you to study Polish by yourself and at your own pace. It will guide you step by step through the self-learning process, with engaging interactive exercises, useful grammar tables and comments to each lesson, and smart flashcards to help you revise your vocabulary along the way. The e-coursebook Plus is an extended version of our e-coursebook. It contains everything the e-coursebook does, including interactive self-checking exercises, multimedia dictionary, recordings with transcripts, and translated instructions. However, the e-coursebook Plus offers even more content and e-learning tools to help you become a better Polish speaker at a much faster pace. The e-coursebook Plus contains hundreds of supplementary exercises. With these, you can reinforce what you've learned and get extra practice with the material. You can access the supplementary exercises in the side panel here, or below the main exercises in the e-coursebook here. You can add your personal notes and comments to lessons. You can access grammar comments and tables. They will aid you in understanding some of the more complex rules of the Polish language. You will also have access to our smart flashcards. This is a revision tool to help you consolidate all the new vocabulary you're learning.
Nauczycielka.
To purchase an e-coursebook Plus, go to the e-coursebooks Plus tab in our store, or if you aren't logged in, to the Online Courses tab in the bookshop. You can change the currency from Polish zloty to euros by changing the language of the platform. Then simply add the chosen e-coursebook Plus to your cart and fill out all the necessary details to finalize your order. Once the payment is processed, the e-coursebook Plus will be unlocked on your account. You'll be able to access it from the e-coursebooks folder. You will know your e-coursebook Plus is active because a plus icon will be visible on its cover. When you open the e-coursebook Plus, the icons allowing you to access the additional features will be unlocked as well. Please keep in mind that the access to your e-coursebook Plus is valid for 12 months from the moment of activation. You can check the access expiration date at any time in the e-coursebooks folder. Simply click on the info icon on the cover of your e-coursebook Plus. Every registered user can give the e-coursebook Plus a try and see exactly how it works by activating a 3-day demo. To do so, go to e-coursebooks Plus in our store and click on the 3-day demo button. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please refer to our other videos, email us at help@e-polish.eu or use the contact form on our website. Thank you for choosing e-Polish and happy learning!